Welcome back. And on November 16th Ultimate Pistol Competition, our fourth drill is Critical Defense. Now this is a drill that I formulated for self-defense shooting situation, and this is very difficult, but very effective, where you have to draw and actually run and double tap 3 stairs in between the obstacles and reload behind the barricade and run the other direction, repeat the same thing. And I set the record of 10.03 seconds. And here I was trying to get back in the game mentally, but struggled a little bit. But I was able to break my own record. But Chris came in and broke my new record. But after Chris, it was Tony, the Special Military Police, and you could see how well he was trained. He ran and shot like a bat out of hell. And I could guarantee you, his record's gonna be there for a while. Again, this is a very difficult drill, but I was really happy to see everybody was doing really well. Okay, what was the time to beat?
10.03.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Woo!
10:42. Stand by.
Ah, damn it.
All right. 11:89 with 3-second penalty. Stand by.
Woo!
If you're finished, I'm not sure clear.
Please.
If clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Time is 11. No, just kidding. 9.
Yes!
6, 4.
All right.
Beat the record.
That reload down there was super fast.
It was.
I didn't even.
It was very fluid.
Please.
If clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear. Time is 11. 9.
Yes!
6, 4.
You're ready. Stand by. Was it 2 hit?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got
Time. Woo! 9.41.
Wow.
Did he miss the last one?
I think
Yeah.
I missed 2.
Yeah.
Felt like he missed one right there.
Yeah. Okay. Time 8.80. Okay.
2 missed it.
2 miss.
He didn't shoot that tall.
Yeah, he didn't. Yeah, so time plus 6. 9.41. Stand by. Okay, good. Get ready for next round. Time 10.82. Stand by. Woo! Get ready for next run. 777.
Nice.
Lucky 7. Woo! Time, make safe.
시커멓게 나오더라고. 얘는 괜찮더라고.
Time, 8.57, still good. Hero ready.
Ready.
Stand by. Okay, get ready for next round. Nine. Get ready for next round.
Might need the other mag.
That was a good makeup shot. Time 13.10. Hero ready. Stand by.
Which I like better.
No.
Okay,
Okay. Get ready for next round.
so now I got a new one. It's
One miss. Time 15.60. Okay. Get ready for next round. Time 13.14. Good run, buddy. Good run. All right, make safe. Time 12.13. Shooter ready. Stand by. Keep moving. Nice. Keep moving. Okay, reload. Keep moving. Good. Keep moving. Okay. Get ready for next round. Time 23.59. Reload. Okay. 18.07. Two miss.
Draw. They have steel rings that you can use.
Reload.
300. They got 1,000 range.
Okay. You just killed my frame, okay? Make safe.
He hit it.
It did.
He shot through the wood and hit it.
Yeah. You killed the bad guy. Alright, time 18.58.